think you're right in that this is quite a widely held perception, and whilst I don't think it's always the case, I do think there's some truth to it. And I think one of the reasons for this is that a lot of the very best talent in technology and change will still only consider contract roles. They simply won't entertain permanent positions at all, and that's whether it's working for an end client or for a consultancy. So for consultancies that use permanent staff to resource their projects, that does restrict the available expertise for their clients somewhat, meaning as a customer you can actually pay more for less suitable expertise. And there's also commercial pressures for them to use their unutilised staff who are sitting on the bench costing them money, rather than actually hire a contractor, even if that contractor has a much better skill set for that client's project requirements. No, this isn't something we need to worry about. Unlike many of our more traditional consultancy competitors, we don't actually carry a permanent bench. So thankfully this isn't an issue for us or for our clients. So what we do instead is we use our own leading in-house recruitment business to source the very best people from the UK contractor marketplace with the precise skills and experience fit for our client project requirements. So giving our clients the best rather than the bench, as it were.